Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Harbor Town, a planned neighborhood on Mud Island just north of downtown Memphis, Tennessee. This community sits along the Mississippi River and was first developed in the late 1980s as part of a major urban renewal effort. Harbor Town is known for its walkable layout, narrow streets, and mixed housing styles, including townhomes, apartments, and single-family homes. The neighborhood includes small shops, parks, and local services built into the community design. The Mississippi River Greenbelt runs along the west side, giving residents direct access to a long waterfront trail. The area is part of the larger Mud Island Peninsula, which is separated from downtown by the Wolf River Harbor. Harbor Town falls within the city limits of Memphis and has been recognized for its successful example of new urbanist planning. Most streets here were designed to reduce traffic speed and increase pedestrian safety. The neighborhood grew steadily after its first homes were completed in the early 1990s. Today, it remains one of the most stable and well-kept residential areas in the city. Thank you for joining us on this drive on Mud Island in Memphis, Tennessee.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching.